Hello and welcome back. If you've got the Monday blues, leave it to Bolly B to color your day with all the biggest headlines. We've got something sweet like Amitabh Bachchan donating rupees 2 crore for COVID relief to Vijay Deverakonda revealing the real reason why he shifted the Liger teaser release. We've also saved up something spicy like Kangna waiting to be banned from Instagram and Sonu Nigam being slammed for not wearing a mask. Megastar Amitabh Bachchan once again proved just why he'll always be our favorite B. Word got around that the actor has donated rupees 2 crore to a Delhi Gurudwara COVID-19 care center. He also went all out to ensure that oxygen concentrators were brought in from abroad and reached the country in time to aid COVID relief efforts. Not just that, while Delhi was grappling for oxygen, Bachchan ji, who battled COVID-19 himself, kept reaching out via telephone to provide any kind of assistance and inquire about the progress made in the COVID-19 facility. Another star out doing good was Sonu Nigam, who inaugurated a blood donation camp and urged people to come out in large numbers to donate blood and educate them about the scarcity of the same. Sonu shared the post on his social media handles to spread awareness and motivate fans, but he in turn was slammed for not wearing a mask in the pics. Refusing to mince his words, he hit back at the trolls and wrote, "For the Einsteins here, let me answer you in the language you deserve." While things are getting heated in the virtual world, Kangna Ranaut has predicted that she may be banned on Instagram as well and has given herself a week tops. At the rate she's going, no one will be surprised, but this update comes just days after her Twitter account was permanently suspended. She announced on Monday, "Instagram has deleted my post where I threatened to demolish COVID because some were hurt." Kangna, we're pretty sure it had something to do with you calling COVID-19 nothing but a small-time flu, which got too much press. But let's not make assumptions, shall we? Moving on to something sweet, we had Vijay Deverakonda, who pushed back his birthday celebrations keeping in mind the current situation in the country. The actor, who was expected to drop the teaser of his film Liger, announced on Sunday that he and the team have postponed the teaser launch to a happier day in the near future. "We were all geared up to reveal a power-packed teaser for Liger on 9th May. However, due to the current scenario and environment that our country is facing, we have decided to postpone the same in the hope to share it with the world at a better time for us all," he said in an official statement. Doesn't this just warm your heart? And finally, we're wrapping this update with Zoom Zoom, the new song from Salman Khan's Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai, making sure everyone had their soundtrack for the festive week ahead. The actor dropped his dance number that had some peppy tunes and some crazy hook steps. Abhi's gotta work on their squats before they can get groovy to Zoom Zoom, but promise we will be back with more on all things filmy and fun. Till then, bye-bye.